Want to split the cost of your next Amazon purchase into 4 interest-free payments? In this video, I'll show you the smart workaround for using Klarna on Amazon. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. While Klarna isn't a direct payment option at the Amazon checkout, there's a simple and effective way to make it work. Let's dive in. Here's the key: you'll use Klarna's Pay in Store virtual card. Even though it says in store, this virtual card can be used for any online checkout that accepts major credit cards, including Amazon. First, open your Klarna app. On the main home screen, tap on the Pay in Store option. The app will instantly generate a unique, one-time use virtual card for you, complete with a card number, expiration date, and CVV security code. Now, open Amazon in your browser or the app. Shop as you normally would, add your items to the cart, and proceed to checkout. When you get to the payment section, choose to add a new credit or debit card. This is where you use the virtual card. Manually enter the card details from the Pay in Store screen in your Klarna app. Double-check the numbers, then save and select this as your payment method. Complete your Amazon order as usual. A crucial pro tip: Klarna's virtual cards have a specific spending limit. Make sure your Amazon cart total is less than your available Klarna limit. Also, the card is typically valid for 24 hours, so complete your purchase shortly after generating it. Once the transaction goes through, it will appear in your Klarna app as a new purchase, and your Pay in 4 schedule will begin. It's that simple. And just like that, you can enjoy the flexibility of Klarna even on Amazon. If this clever workaround helped you, please hit that like button. What's on your Amazon wish list to use this on? Share your finds in the comments. For our next guide on using Klarna at Shopify checkout, subscribe to Guide with Samuel. Thanks for watching.